Alright guys, it's X Gamer here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the NBodyMinecraft mod.
Okay, hello, I'm Jerry.
I'm Jay.
And this is our version of NBodyExtreme.
So we added a couple things so that even the most computer illiterate users can create their own Milky Way.
So as you can probably notice, some of the planets are pretty small. And that has to do with the fact that we have planets in our system, their size scales relative to their mass. We do this by setting two types of densities in our code, like one Earth-like density and one more Sun-like density. And the Earth density is used for most of the planets, and the Sun density is used for the yellow sun in the middle, so it can still represent a body with a very large mass even though it takes up about the same area as the Earth.
So yeah, that being said, let's explain our planet creation process. As you can see, there's a little Earth that's following my mouse. That is your planet visualizer. It shows you what the planet may look like. We use the STD Draws mouse listeners to achieve this. You can also use the A and D keys to cycle between planet textures, like say you want Mars, or squirrel, or black hole, or the sun.
Yeah, let's say you want a second Mars. We can place it, say, here. Now, as you can see, a couple things going on here. First, as I move the mouse, new Mars will resize, so that's radius follows the mouse. And also the mass appears to be somewhat proportional to the size of Mars.
So basically what we've decided here is that planets you create will have approximately the density of Earth.
So if you want a small planet, a light planet, you can make it tiny, one giant planet, a couple hundred Earths, a couple thousand, you can make that too. But let's say, about 10 Earths.
So as you can see, there's a little arrow that's following my mouse. That is the initial velocity arrow. You select an initial velocity, you click, and your planet will go flying off in the direction you want it to go. And continue flying off because the velocity was too big.
So as you're gonna see here is one planet, as it hit our larger planet, it seemed to have disappeared. This is due to our collision handling system, which manages planet collisions as sort of an elastic collision in a physics sense. And what that really means is that when two objects collide, we assume they'll just stick together, their masses will add, and you can calculate their ending velocity that way.
Now we would like to demonstrate another feature with the help of a fantastic user called Karen. Karen is cold and lonely. Karen wants another sun. Let's give her another sun. Again, we use the A and D keys until we get to the sun. We place the sun.
Now as you can see, you can only go up to thousands something Earths mass of the sun. But if you hold down the shift key,
you can get the power of 1,000 suns. Let's say you want a sun that's about 10 suns. Place it down, give initial velocity. Now Karen has her sun. It's eaten everything. If you've taken physics, or if you haven't, this is why you don't want another sun. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. Make sure to click that like button and smash that subscribe button for our next Fortnite video.
And donate to the Patreon too.